In front of me is Sony Xperia 5.4 and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply Apple layout on this Sony. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then you need to type in iOS Launcher. Finally, install this free app from this developer and when it's ready, open it. Now you need to select while using and allow in the pop-ups. Click on Home button and go into Settings. In Settings, access Apps section right away. Click on Default Apps and Home app. To apply iOS Launcher, you need to click on it, tap on OK, select Got it, and as you can see, after all that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to, you can always switch between your layouts by going into the same settings and choosing Default Home app or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!